1,25,000 crore black money tisakha haphang aboni logi 4,600 crore hamya raida ni rang Narendra Modi ni haphang ni joto kwrwi lukorog ni yago joto hamkrai ni samung bwtang sagwirina bagwi toyar wngjak ni sakha kendra Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw bo saljo sakha tabung ni haphang ni kwrwi lukorog ni thani joto hamkrai ni samung bwtang sagwirina bagwi toyar Phiaba Rajiv Gandhi Phuro Sudu 15% Garib Kalyan Projects ni Bagay Narakha Jeta Lukorog ni Thani Sogaya Phiaba Tabuk 26 lakh crore rang direct Kri Lukorog ni account transfer khainate 2,25,000 crore rang khatijak direct bank transfer ni bisingtei tongkoson Lukorog ni aro 100% shepsa manai hini sakabo.
Corruption which was there in the system is today removed. Benami properties worth 4,300 crore have been attached. 1.25 lakh crore black money has been confiscated. The other dimension of good governance is transparency. Transparency in terms of income tax assessments, getting your refunds, making sure that faceless assessments are done, transparency in auctions. Imagine these scams of coal and spectrum. Today, spectrum auction from 2014 to 2022 have already fetched 4.5 lakh crore rupees. So that much of corruption which was there in the system is today removed. All that money is today coming to the government. Recruitment, entire computer-based tests. So the entire process of going around writing letters to MPs and MLAs and making sure that something happens, all those things are out. Real estate, it's a dream of every common citizen to have a home. So having a transparent system for real estate today has made a big difference in people's lives. Same is the case with multiple things like Benami properties worth 4,300 crore have been attached. 1.25 lakh crore black money has been confiscated. 1.75 lakh shell companies have been deregistered. So it's a combination of digital and transparency and focus on execution, which is what Prime Minister's good governance model is. And that is making a big difference.
Ashala Narendra Modi haphang ni good governance policy no boram rekha Ashwini Vaishnaw bo governance policy ni kabang ma kogrono saikhna reka good governance policy kabang ma kri conference tongo aro ni bisingo puila wngkha digital expansion 45 crore lukorog ni account to nahar fro puila digital technology chengsaka good governance ni second kri conference ni kungi covid ni jora ne vaccine rima ni kogno saikhna reka bo bureau report kokhrang.